Hello everybody, in this short video I'd like to talk about how to use the Format Painter. This is a really powerful feature in Microsoft Word, and you can actually use it in the other Microsoft products as well. So let's say, for example, you were making the title of each paragraph here, the heading of each paragraph, something unique. Let's say 18-point font. Now you wouldn't want to do this for your normal essays, but let's say you're doing this, you underlined it, you italicized it, you bolded it, whatever it might be. And then you wanted to go ahead and do the same thing for this heading and this heading. Well, you could highlight the next one and try to remember what you did, but boy, that'd be cumbersome, and if you forget something, it would look kind of weird. What you can do, though, is if you want to copy the formatting of one thing and copy it to another thing, just highlight a piece of the formatting that you like. Like, let's say here, you don't even have to do the whole thing. Then come up to Format Painter, click it, and then just highlight something else that you like. And it'll make that formatting look like that formatting. Now, the last thing is if you have to do it multiple times, let me just go back here. If you have to do it multiple times, highlight a piece of the formatting that you like. I like this. And then double click the Format Painter. And now you can just have a good time highlighting whatever you like, and it'll make it all the same. And then when you want to get out of this Format Painter option, you just click Escape, and now you're back to doing what you normally do. I hope this video helps. Thanks, everybody.